Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add profile video in your LinkedIn profile photo. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, laptop, desktop, you can follow the same step. Okay. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe me. It is free. Okay. So let's go on my mobile screen. So this is my Android phone, guys, and uh, in order to change or add a video on your LinkedIn profile, first you have to open your LinkedIn app. Yeah, this is mandate. So just open it, and after you can see this is my profile. And if I want to add the LinkedIn, it's okay. Okay, if you want to add the profile, just have to click on this profile photo first, or view, then view your profile. Then your profile page will be open here, and click on this small plus icon, and here you can see you have three options: view and edit your profile, add your cover story, and edit frame. So you can see the profile videos length, it is 30 seconds. So you have to shoot video up to 30 seconds. You if you have above 30-second video, you can edit it while uploading. But if you want proper video profile or video cover or LinkedIn profile cover video, then you have to manage your video within the 30 second. Okay, so just click on it. So yeah, it will be open like this. Okay, it will like intro, just tap on it, or you can into it. So now your camera will be open, and you can shoot from your camera now, or you can upload videos from your yeah, gallery. So click on it. So you can see I don't have any videos, just find out from here. Okay, it will be open, just take time. Yeah, I have video like something, just click on the okay. So it is opening now. Just I will click on three dots, go to the video, and maybe I have video in this download. Okay, I have some videos. I just click on it. Please choose video shorter than 30 seconds. Okay, so you have here you can see this video this video length, which is about 30 seconds. So it is comes error that showing the it is showing that you have to choose video shorter than 30 seconds. So choose again, you have to choose. I think I have this video. Okay, this is below 30 seconds, and it is opening now, you can see. Okay, so here you can overwrite tags. You can what is this? This is something you can like sticker you can add. Okay, I have added one sticker. Okay, so if you want to delete it, just click. You can come back like from this. And if you want to process, just click on it. So it will process, and it's look like this. You can adjust your crop, and you can add on, click on add to profile. So it will be add to your profile photo, and it is like your it will take time to upload photo. Within 5 seconds it will be upload, but I can view from here. Okay, so it is same, it is not updated now. It will take time. Okay, so after that it will be show here. So that is how you can upload cover videos or profile videos on your LinkedIn profile. I hope you like this video. Thank you for